Hi, this is a quick unboxing video of Canada Goose Crofton jacket in size small, black color. Let's go over the very basics of the jacket. The jacket has a front zipper, dual zipper. So there's a zipper on the top and there's a zipper at the bottom. So you can open and close from both top and bottom. And then the front has two pockets on the side. So on the shoulder, there's a Canada Goose emblem here. So let me get a close up. It says Canada Goose Arctic Program. And then let's open the jacket here. Oh, so on the zipper, on top of the zipper, it says Canada Goose. And then inside, there are some tags. So once you open the zipper, this is how the jacket is from the inside. There is a string, I think, which you can use to hang the jacket. If let's say if you get too hot, you can just put them on the shoulder and then hold the jacket like that. You don't have to wear the whole jacket. Let's see what else is there. This one retails for about 650 US dollars. So on one side, I think there's one big pocket here. Pretty deep pocket all the way down, and then some tags here. On the left side, I think there are more pockets. So there's one pocket here, another pocket behind this, and there's one big pocket also as well. I think this is a tab there which you can pull to loose or tighten the jacket as well. A lot of space here to put your phone or wallet or anything that you want to carry in the jacket. On the zipper, I think it says Canada Goose as well. The jacket has a Canada Goose tag here. I think this is mainly, it says authenticity check. I think there are a lot of these in different languages as well. The TEI rating for this jacket is 5 degrees Celsius to -5. It's a very lightweight down jacket as well. So the zipper seems pretty sturdy and good as well. And on the side pockets, I think there are on the side cuffs. You can see it has these cuffs. So this is how the jacket looks on the back. I think it has these stripes, and then there are some reflective material on the top of the jacket behind the neck area. So I assume this will be reflective at night. Let's say if we are outside, and then this may shine a little bit. Overall, this is a pretty lightweight jacket. I just checked on the website. I think this is right now. This is retailing for 750 US dollars at the moment. I bought this jacket last year. I didn't get a chance to wear it though. I bought it for 650, but this year I think this is $100 more. It's a pretty decent jacket. If you are looking for a lightweight jacket with a TEI rating of 5 degree to -5 degrees Celsius, this is a good jacket to get. Once again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Once again, thank you very much for your time.